Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to install Virtualbox on Windows 10 with on-the-job tips. Open Virtualbox website to download the application. Virtualbox is a free open-source application for virtualization widely using in organizations. It can install up to 32 operating systems or virtual server machines inside Virtualbox. Click on the link and go to the website. Download the latest version. We are going to install Virtualbox on Windows 10 operating system. Click on Windows Hosts. Click OK to download. In layman language, it is a container to contain operating systems. These virtual operating system consumes hardware resources only when started by container Virtualbox. Virtualbox do not require hardware virtualization. We can use load balancing feature in real-time work environment to increase or decrease the hardware resources for a virtual machine or operating system. For example, if our Ubuntu virtual server has more load, we can allocate more RAM to Ubuntu server to increase performance. We can also create clone of a virtual machine. Virtualbox is a vast topic and I am pointing out few important topics required in day-to-day basic job work. Virtualbox helps to reduce hardware cost, because, on a computer machine using Virtualbox, we can host up to 32 operating systems, and each operating system hardware resources can be modified by container or Virtualbox. Virtualbox is free, therefore widely used in web hosting companies and in software applications and database operations. Download is completed. Open the setup. This window shows the default features of Virtualbox. You can customize the settings, leave it to defaults. Set the path to save Virtualbox settings in selected folder. Virtualbox stores all of the configurations files of the virtual machines. Click Next. Proceed to next window. Click Next. Proceed to the network interface window. Network interface window shows a warning. It's just for information. Click on Yes. Click on Install. Installation window will be open. Installation will take some time. Windows 10 ask for the permission to install. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Installation is done. Open the Virtualbox. Click on New button to add new virtual machine. Enter your virtual machine name. It must be meaningful, like server machine for the Delhi project. Select type of operating system to install. It's Linux and I am going to install CentOS. It's a Linux flavor. Choose others because CentOS is not in the list. But we can install not listed operating systems also. Click Next. Give memory size. For a real virtual machine, memory must be minimum 4 GB. My RAM is 4 GB, so I can't allocate more memory, therefore I am allocating 2 GB of memory. My virtual machine with 2 GB of memory will work fine with less features, and this virtual machine would not work for high performance tasks such as web hosting. Click Next. Click on Create to create a virtual hard disk. Choose default setting and click Next. Choose default setting and click Next. Now, allocate hard disk size for the virtual machine. Recommended is minimum 100 GB of space for a real virtual machine. Click on Create. Snapshots. It is one of the most important feature of Virtualbox. By using snapshots, we can go back to previous state of an operating system or virtual machine. For example, on Virtualbox, we installed CentOS server machine, and created a snapshot at 12 p.m., at 2 p.m. Something goes wrong, and we want to revert back CentOS server to the state when time was 12 p.m. In next video, we will install the operating system. Subscribe my video for latest updates.